Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you again. Today, we're going to explore the word
Hand.
Hi Alex.
Hand.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Great question. The word
Hand.
in German means hand, just like in English. However, it can also refer to help or assistance, like giving someone a helping.
Hand.
The most common meaning, of course, is the physical.
Hand.
That's straightforward. Are there any tricky parts about this word?
Yes, actually. One common mistake is confusing
Hand.
with the English word handy. In German,
Handy.
means mobile phone, not useful or convenient, like in English.
So, how do we use?
Hand.
In terms of grammar,
Hand.
Is a feminine noun, so it takes the article.
Die.
In plural, it becomes.
Die Hände.
For example, you can say,
Ich habe 2 Hände.
meaning I have 2 hands.
what about the past tense?
In the past tense, we can say,
Ich hatte eine Verletzung an meiner Hand.
which means I had an injury on my hand. In the perfect, it would be,
Ich habe eine Verletzung an meiner Hand gehabt.
That sounds a bit tricky.
it can be, but you'll get the hang of it. And if you want to give someone a command, you might say,
Hebe deine Hand.
meaning raise your hand.
That's really cool. Where does the word
Hand.
come from?
The word
Hand.
comes from Old High German
Hunter.
and has roots in Proto-Germanic. It's fascinating how the meaning has stayed quite consistent over centuries.
That is interesting.
And it's also related to similar words in other languages, such as the English hand in Latin,
Menes.
which also means hand.
Can we break down the word?
Hand.
Sure. The word is simple and cannot be split into smaller parts. However, you can think of it as a basic building block. In terms of associations, you might imagine a
Hand.
waving hello.
I like that.
If we think about compound words,
Handschuh.
means glove, and it combines
Hand.
and,
Schuh.
which means shoe.
What are some similar words to
Hand.
There are many. For instance, words with the same prefix include
Handwerk.
meaning craft, and
Handy.
for mobile phone. With the same suffix, we can find
Handschuh.
and,
Handtasche.
which means handbag.
That's helpful.
Also, similar compound patterns include
Handball.
meaning handball, and
Handschrift.
which means handwriting.
Can you give me some situations where I might use?
Hand.
Absolutely. If you're at work and need to ask for help, you can say,
Kannst du mir bitte eine Hand geben?
meaning, can you please give me a hand?
Okay, let me try.
Kannst du mir eine Hand geben?
Perfect. Another situation could be at a doctor's office. You might say,
Ich habe Schmerzen in meiner Hand.
meaning I have pain in my hand.
Ich habe Schmerzen in meiner Hand.
Got it.
Lastly, when traveling, you can say,
Ich brauche deine Hand, das Gepäck zu tragen.
meaning I need your hand to carry the luggage.
Ich brauche deine Hand, das Gepäck zu tragen.
Great job. Let's think about gender hints for
Hand.
Sure.
since
Hand.
is feminine, you can remember it by its ending.
Die Hand.
Also, remember that in compounds, the last noun determines the gender.
That's a good tip.
Now, let's talk about usage notes.
Hand.
Is mostly informal. You can use it in phrases like,
Hand in Hand.
which means hand in hand, or
Die Hand heben.
meaning to raise a hand.
Those are useful phrases.
Just be careful not to confuse it with similar words such as,
Hände.
which is the plural, or,
Handy.
as we mentioned earlier.
Can you give me some example sentences with
Hand.
Of course. Here are a few.
Ich wasche meine Hände.
Means I wash my hands.
got it?
Ich wasche meine Hände.
Die Hand des Arztes ist warm.
Means the doctor's hand is warm.
That makes sense.
Another example is,
Sie hat sich die Hand verletzt.
which means she injured her hand.
Sie hat sich die Hand verletzt.
Very good. And lastly,
Hast du deine Hand gehoben?
means did you raise your hand?
Yes. I'm getting the hang of this.
Let's do a quick recall check. What is the article for?
Hand.
It's
Die.
Correct. And what is the plural form?
Die Hände.
Great. How do you say I have a pain in my hand in German?
Ich habe Schmerzen in meiner Hand.
Perfect. What is the past tense of?
Haben.
When referring to
Hand.
Hatte.
Yes, that's right. Last question, what does
Handschuh,
mean?
It means glove.
Well done, Sam. Today, we learned about
Hand,
its meanings, grammar, and even some fun expressions.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these words in your conversations.
I will. See you next time.